So, have you been looking for the opportunity to switch your career to tech, or you have been looking for the opportunity to take a technical certification, get a technical skill, but you don't have the funds due to financial constraints, one way or the other? I bring something juicy to you. So, whether you're a male, you're a female, anybody of any gender in any country, whether you're in Nigeria, you're in Ghana, you're in UK, you're in Luxembourg, you're in any country, anywhere. Do you know that you can actually take a technical course for free on Coursera? Women in Cloud is partnering with Coursera to give out vouchers. When I mean vouchers, I mean you get a voucher to take your exam at the end of your training. It's a self-learning training. So at the end of your training, you get a voucher to take your examination and get yourself a Microsoft certification. Now, this is beyond you having Coursera certification. This is a voucher for you to take the exam and take the Microsoft and get the Microsoft certification. Do you know the most interesting thing of this? You are not paying a dime. You're not paying a dime. However, so if you can get yourself a mobile phone or a laptop and find a way to get yourself a data connection, then you don't have anything to be worried about. Okay, so let's go right into the video. Let me just show you and break it down to you how you can you know submit your application, and then the courses that are available on the platform. So, I will be leaving the link to this platform. That's the Women in Cloud. I'll be leaving the link for you to register. Once you register, it takes about a month for them to like get back to you. But once they get back to you, literally they get back to everybody. That's just the honest truth. So don't think, okay, I don't have this, I don't have that. And the reason why I want to show you this application form is because there are some places that you get to that you might feel a little worried about. Okay, what do I need to fill here? I don't have a job, would they take me? Just don't worry about that, you're gonna get it. Okay, I know you must have been hearing about Azure. Women in Cloud, they're in partner with Coursera. So you only register for the program here. Once you get accepted, you are going to get an email attached with a link that would direct you to Coursera. So once you get the link, then you start your program. So they have about 10 Azure courses that you can take. There is the AZ 900, AI 900, there's SC 900. So if you're interested in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, cloud administrator, Power BI, you want data analysis skills, you get to see and take the course. So now during my own time, you're only entitled to two vouchers, but during my own time, I did get myself four vouchers to take the Microsoft examination. So I did the training back to back. Once I finished with one training, I did the second one. Once I was done with that, I did the third one. I did the fourth one. So if you can do that, then you get more vouchers. Yeah, so you fill in your first name, your last name, your pronouns, email address, phone number, city, state, country. I mean, these are the things that you can fill in yourself. But once you get to this referred by, you don't have to choose order or mention my name. You can just choose Coursera or choose Women in Tech. I got to know about this program through a friend who got to know it from Women in Tech. So then the industry that you worked with, or your most recent industry, blah blah blah, just choose one. Then you have to write a 250 statement of purpose. Doesn't have to be very, it doesn't even have to be 250. I didn't write up to 250 and then I got in. So are you unemployed, employed? If you're unemployed, you can choose your unemployed. If you're employed, you can choose employed. None of these things would hinder you from getting it. So these are all the courses that are available. So just because you are selecting one of these courses does not mean you don't have access to other courses. Once you have gain access to the platform, that's the Coursera platform, then you have access to all of these courses. Once you are done with one of this program, let's say it's a 900, you can move on to the next one and do it just like the way I did. Please and please make sure you choose yes for the voucher section. If you don't choose yes, you're not going to get a voucher. If you're not interested in case study, I mean you're learning, so just pick yes for case study, because that is the only way you get to learn and you know grow your knowledge and skills. So I think that's just literally Every other thing here can be okay. This annual income, every other thing here can be filled yourself with basic, understanding and all
And
that.
then you click on submit. The reason why it's not showing submit here is because I didn't fill the required details. That's why you can say save.
So we've come to the end of today's video. If this video is something you find interesting, you can as well share to your friends, families, people you know that are interested in taking the step to, get the skills and then switch their career or whatever they want to do with it. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like my video, drop a comment, and wish me well. See you in my next video. Bye.